Hey, how you doing? Mary Maizano here. I know you guys are somewhat used to some of my videos, and hopefully they can be mildly entertaining at times, and at times they're not, whatever your pleasure, okay? But today I want to talk to you about something that I think will affect everybody, okay? It certainly has affected me and many other people I know. And I put something together here because, and by the way, this is not a joke. Let me prep it. Not a joke, okay? This is about the new credit card laws taking effect in January. And what's been happening with these credit card companies since this law went into effect. They're scrambling now because they're trying to get everything they can, suck the life out of you before this all turns, okay? Now, there are a couple of companies that have been okay, right on the money, no problem. But I have this one credit card, and the bank's name, which I never heard of before, but had this card for about maybe 2.5 years, 3 years now. Juniper Bank. What you got? Juniper Bank. All right, fine. So, no problem with Juniper Bank. Everything's cool. All right. So now this Juniper Bank recently was acquired by Barclays Bank. Right? Now, if you put Juniper Bank in Google and put Juniper scams, you will come up with pages of scams from Juniper Bank, okay? And I'm reading them right here. Fraudulent practices, ripoff, fraud, unauthorized billing, tried to prevent a purchase, continued over-limit fees. This is warm to my heart, that one. Customer service, the worst. Okay, we can live with that, okay? Customer service, again, rip-off, fraud. If you go in and put Barclays, you will now hear the same thing because they acquired their drama, okay? Now, I'm not just sitting here talking like the rest of America who is struggling, living from day to day, trying to make ends meet, trying to follow their dream and their passion at the same time, so we can keep the American dream alive. Alrighty then. I'm telling you this because if it's affecting me, it has to affect you. I had not used this Juniper / Barclay card in months. I had a balance available to me, and one day I get my bill, and it says my minimum payment was like, I don't know, $72, including an over-limit fee. And now I'm thinking to myself, how do I have an over-limit fee when I have never used the card in months? So I look at the statement, and I realize they're charging me an over-limit fee because they increased my percentage rate, my APR, to 29.99. Yeah, you heard me, kids. Almost 30% interest, okay? I can get better VIG from some guy on the street named Tony, all right? Okay, so now, I call up. Now, you need to understand, my previous background in the past for 15 years was in the banking industry. Fortunate for me, I was never in lending, okay? Wasn't into fair Isaac, okay? At all. I thought he was very unfair. I was on the retail side, on the sales side, okay? So I'm very familiar with banking regs and regulations and policies and procedures. And I call up, and I get this woman on the phone and explain that I want the over-limit fee reversed. Because the only reason why I was over-limit was because of their interest rate. I haven't used the card. Well, we got into big drama ensued, okay? Big drama, okay? She wouldn't do it. I hang up. So I called yesterday, okay? And I spoke to this guy by the name of, well, when I first called up, just so you know, all right, I called up.
Thank you for calling Barclays. Please enter your full account number or social security number.
Okay, so I do this, okay? You'll hear me. I'm entering.
Juniper, MasterCard. Okay, first of all, I'd like to speak to a supervisor.
Okay, so now I'm holding for their supervisor, manager, okay? They put me on the phone with this guy by the name of Michael. He's got a bit of an accent. I don't have a problem with this, okay? It's just that Michael, I know, does not live here, okay? I proceed to tell Michael the whole jammy. Michael proceeds to give me all the standard bank replies. I then proceed to tell him my background. and that I don't want to be insulted, okay? Now, Michael can't do a thing for me. Then I asked Michael for the name of the president. He asked me to hold on. I couldn't believe he did not know the name of the president of the bank. He gets on the phone and he gives me the name of the customer care manager. I don't want the customer care manager, but I wanted the president's name. He put me on hold 5 times. Obviously, the president's name is Lloyd Wirschbach. W-I-R-S as in Sam, H-B like in boy, A. Okay? I asked for his phone number. They don't have his phone number. How do you work somewhere and not have corporate headquarters phone number? Okay? They don't. Then I asked for Mike's last name, the supervisor whom I was speaking to. They're not allowed to give out their last name. I wonder why. Yeah, okay? But he did, I was very happy to give me his supervisor ID number, which is 45243. Then I asked Mike where he was, exactly what location in the United States he was. And he told me he was in the Philippines. Okay? Now, you all know what's going on here. Come with the new laws. I don't understand how a bank like this can get away with doing something like this to the average American, okay? Look, we all know here we're struggling. The economy is bad. People are on unemployment. Everybody is doing everything they possibly can to survive and do the right thing, okay? I'm doing the right thing. I'm paying my bills. I'm paying them on time. And I'm not going to be ripped off by some bank who's ripping everybody off, who we probably gave some bailout money to. I ain't going down that road. So here's the deal. I'm asking you guys to help me out. I'm asking you to help me make this video viral, to post it on your Facebook page, put it on your MySpace page, send it to friends, repost it again, pop this, add your own problems, and in the comment section of YouTube on this, okay? Tell me what's going on in your world with your drama, with whatever bank is trying to give you the dance of ripoff, okay? Because I think somebody has to do something about this. I am not paying this. I am going to pay a minimum balance, and I'll do the damn calculation based on what my balance is, and I'm going to send in what I deem appropriate. I am not going to be hit with a 30% APR and then get banged with a and I did say banged with a $39 of a limit fee because of these mooks, okay? And you know what, America? You better get snapping on this stuff, okay? The government has to crack down on this drama because these are the crooks here. These are the crooks that have screwed up the economy, and we continue to allow it to happen. So I do have the entire conversation with me and Mike on this phone, on this tape. And I'm just going to play you some hits.
Okay, that'd be great. Better? A little better.
So I don't know if you heard him. Before I even opened my mouth, he said, the woman that transferred this call said you were talking about the interest rate. I just want to let you know, we can no longer lower interest rates. Really? Well, holy Susie Orman, somebody contact her, okay? Because Susie's giving us all this advice to tell these people to do this, and they're saying, Maki Gats, okay? Yeah, okay, here we go.
My question to you is, how can you, in all good consciousness, charge somebody 29.99% interest? And this has just been increased within the past couple of months.
Okay, so now he gives me the dance of, you know, we can do whatever we want because we sent you a disclosure, okay? Big deal. Nobody discloses anymore. And when they do, they're friggin' lying, even on a date. In the meantime, I want you to make this video viral. I want you to help me. I want you to support this video and the principles behind this video with people trying to rob us, okay? Not the normal people that are out there trying to rob us, okay? The corporate people trying to rob us, because this is absurd. And I know if it's happening to me, it's happening to you, okay? So please spread this video around. Make your comments if you're having the same problems. Indicate the name of the bank, where they are, whatever it is. Please put that in the comment section, and let's see if we can get some action the old-fashioned way by us making a point, okay? Thanks very much. I wish you all the best. Peace, prosperity, and health. Ciao.